minutes. Today, guys, I'm out here in the park with my daughter and my grandbabies. Family time with Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Hey, Pooh. Yeah, guys, don't laugh. I call him Pooh. Trying to do big boy stuff. Come on. Go, 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 Amari. Go.
You hear that?
He hear the music, the little boom, 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 boom. Look, he is getting ready to dance up the slide. My grandson is so in tune to rhythms and beats. Woo! Go, Poop, go! Go, go!
His hair.
I know. Head first. He was like, "Ooh, what that feel like?" Just seeing the way his face looked. Ooh, what that feel like?
Looking for the music now.
And Angel is over on the swings.
Come on. Yeah, ready, set, Mimi, ready, set.
Ready? Go! 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 Woo! Yeah, y'all, my baby's busy. And we out here in this park crazy without the mask. But trust and believe, I'm keeping my distance. I don't play that. Go over here with my granddaughter. She over here by herself. That's my baby. There we go. Go watch it. I don't get kicked. Any of you guys ever get kicked by somebody on the swings back in your day? Daddy daycare did. Yeah, it's a nice day out here. Got people flying kites. Oh man, we got kites at the house too. Next time we're gonna come out here and fly our kites. Maybe Saturday we'll come out and fly kites. Here you go trying to make plans. I don't know, girl. We'll see. I'll let you know. Alright, guys. So that's my little time right there. I just wanted to share with you a couple little minutes, you know. Like I said, every now and then I throw a little bit of family time out here with what we're doing, you know. And today is just my granddaughter and my grandson of my youngest child, Felicia.
Hey, Mom.
Oh boy, he wants to get on the big one. You gonna put him on the big one, Felicia?
Yeah, Mom. I want to go to the ice cream store.
What ice cream store? What? Rita's?
That you took me?
Rita's?
Yeah. You took me to get the icy before we went
I think that was Rita's. Yeah. All right.
I get candy.
Cotton candy.
Yep. Rita.
All right. We'll do Rita's on the way home.